The next divine name is Al-Baqi, which means the everlasting. Allah, the Exalted, existed eternally before He created the creation and will continue to exist without any end. The one who understands this divine name will often remember their mortality, meaning their death. This will inspire them to prepare for it and the hereafter, instead of remaining heedless to it. This preparation involves fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. A Muslim must act on this divine name by prioritizing the actions which will endure through the grace of Allah, the Exalted, namely, righteous deeds, over the worldly actions which will perish with this world. For example, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised in a narration found in Sunan an-Nasai, number 3681, that a Muslim will continue to receive the reward for any type of ongoing charity they have done even after their death. This is a type of charity where the creation continues to benefit from it, such as a water pump. Simply put, if a Muslim directs their actions and efforts towards the material world, they will perish, yet they will still be held accountable for them in the next world. Whereas, the one who directs their efforts and actions towards Allah, the Exalted, will find that their deeds endure and they will benefit them in every step of their journey to the hereafter, such as their grave. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 96.
Whatever you have will end, but what Allah has is lasting.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.